Five little ducks go out. Five little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, quack, quack. Four little ducks came waddling back. Quack, 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 quack. Mama duck calls them all back, waddling, waddling left and right. Little ducks home before the night. Four little ducks, four little ducks, four little ducks went out one day, splashing puddles all the way. Mama duck said quack, quack, quack. Three little ducks came waddling back. Quack, quack, quack. Three little ducks, three little ducks, three little ducks went out one day, playing games and wanting to stay. Mama duck said quack, quack, quack. Two little ducks came waddling back. Quack, quack, quack. Two little ducks, two little ducks, two little ducks went out one way, chasing butterflies all the way. Mama duck said quack, quack, quack. One little duck came waddling back. Quack, quack, quack. One little duck, one little duck, one little duck went out one day, all alone and far away. Mama duck said quack, quack, quack. No little ducks came waddling back. Quack, quack, quack. Mama duck is sad. Mama duck is sad. Mama duck sat by the pond so blue. No little ducks, what could she do? She called out loud, quack, quack, quack. Still no little ducks came back. Quack, quack, quack. For seven Daddy Duck searches, Daddy Duck swam out that day, searching, searching all the way. He called out loud, quack, quack, quack. All five ducks came waddling back. Quack, quack, quack. Where were they? Where were they? First duck was behind a tree. Oh. Second duck was chasing a bee. Oh. Third duck was stuck in the mud. Fourth and fifth were eating bugs. What? All together again. All together again. Five little ducks, all safe and sound, the happiest family to be found. Mama hugged them one by one. Five little ducks, home and done. Five little ducks, five little ducks, five little ducks in the tub tonight. Hey! Splishing, splashing left and right. Hey! Mama washed them clean